Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Vijeo Designer Training. I'm your host, Leandro Mala, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can download an application to an HMI, but when the firmware of the HMI is higher than the one that we have on the software of Vijeo Designer. Okay, so basically, if the HMI has a lower version than the Vijeo Designer, then the download is possible. But if the HMI has a higher version of firmware right than the Vijeo Designer, the download is not possible. So we need to downgrade the HMI, and one way to do it is to use a USB stick. So that's what we're going to try. Okay, so let's go to the software. So for example, here when you see Vijeo Designer 6.2 something, okay, this is the HMI, it has the version 6.3. so if I had the possibility to download this to this HMI, okay, let me just show you that online to you. So this HMI has this IP address, so it's going to be ping 192.168.0.65. okay, I'm able to ping it, it's working fine. So if I try to download this, just want to show you the things. Do you want to continue? Yes. So this is the issue. So you are trying to download an older version of Runtime on a target machine, or runtime version of target machine is not supported. So what we need to do is to use a USB stick. Okay, so I'm going to plug the USB stick in a port that I'm available here. Okay. Then what we need to do is to select download, file system. Okay. And here select single or multi-install. Multi-install, because we need to install first the firmware and then the application. You can see here I have the Argentinian flag. In this application, just nothing. Okay, so multi-install, and here we just need to select the path. So in my case, it's going to be USB here. Okay, let's just check on the other side if I have something. No, it's empty. Okay, which is fine. Okay, so you can see it's empty. Okay, usually when you try to download this to the USB, it probably takes more time. One recommendation is to create a folder in your PC, download there, and copy all the files. Okay, so I'm going to do this and download. Switch my content this one action. Let's see, system, yeah, okay, system configuration. I haven't done this, so I'm going to download again this. Okay, so it's complete. So if I open now the USB, you can see that I have all these files. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to unplug the USB, and I'm going to connect this to the HMI. The other way around. Okay, so you just need to install. So yes, just boot in, and we download. We downgrade the firmware. It says Vijeo 6.3 and starting up firmware version 6.2. You probably not able to see it there, but you just need to trust me. So now the version says 6.2 over there. I just need to trust. It says 6.3 probably. Okay, so right now it's installing everything. And then what I'm going to do is to after finish, I'm going to download this to using the Ethernet cable, just to show you that I was able to downgrade it and then make further modifications. It says runtime version 6.2.12.2054. The target type HMI is YT. Okay, and it's just downloading the things. Takes a little bit more time. I'm just doing something. Okay. So installation complete. Please verify the IP address is the one I want to. And then in multi-install is selected. Remove the USB. I'm going to remove it. And then restart the target. It's booting. And it will not have the Argentinian flag, but it will have that hello system button up there. Okay. So that's the splash image, the welcome screen, and you have the hello there. Not sure why you're watching that. In this way, just bear with me. Okay, so I just flipped the camera. So now I had the hello, it's working fine. So what I need to do is hello HMI, and it's just going to download this. So now we have the downgrade of the firmware. This is just to show you that it's going to work. I just need to go back to Ethernet, okay, because I have done the file system to generate the files. Now I'm just going to press download, and in theory this should work. It's downloaded. Project ID doesn't match. Download. Yes, download everything. Just need to wait. We're almost there. It's downloading to that IP address. Seeing the data. Installing. And hopefully now we should be able to see that HMI application. Okay. With hello and HMI, showing that this worked fine. Now there we go. So this is how you can see now I have the version 6.2 working with it. Help about 6.2. Before it has a 6.3. So basically what I show you in this video is how to download an application to an HMI that has a firmware, a newer firmware. So for example, if you buy a new HMI, you would probably have the latest firmware, probably for Vijeo 6.3. So if you need 6.2, then what you need to do is to use a USB stick, download into the USB the files, plug in, download, make the installation of the files. That probably is going to be only just the runtime for 6.2 and the files for the application. Okay, so that should be it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.